Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. This exercise is our morning route exercise for beginners. So guys, I have this exercise. It's called advanced bed dog exercise 2025 morning routine. So guys, let's check it out. This is an exercise. It's called advanced bed dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Advanced bed dog exercise. It's not easy. So guys, for beginners, this is how you do it. This is our morning routine, 2025 morning routine. Go. So stay like this. Guys, this exercise is called advanced bed dog exercise 2025 morning routine. Guys, please make sure you do like, subscribe, don't forget to share so that others can see it. Guys, thank you for staying tuned. Every day we bring a workout morning routine for the new beginners that want to enter into exercise. Remember, exercise is healthy.